in this video I'm going to show you how to do a yarn in front. You will normally see this as YIF, and oftentimes you'll see it with a slip stitch. So it might say SL1 with YIF, which stands for slip 1 with yarn in front. And I will show you how to do that. I'm going to knit the first one. So your pattern might say knit 1 and then slip 1 with yarn in front. So you will bring it over as if you're going to purl, and you will insert the needle as if you're going to purl, but do not purl. Just slip that off. Oftentimes when a pattern calls for slip 1, it's a purl-wise, not a knit-wise, because a knit will twist it, and that will be in some cases. Then you'll put the yarn back to knit the next one. So then you're going to knit that next stitch, and then yarn in front, slip 1 as if to purl, put the yarn back, and knit another one. Again, yarn in front. You'll see how it's creating those little bars across. Instead of actually doing a purl stitch, you're just creating something a little different. So you can see that what it looks like. These are purls, and as you get up here, those are the yarn in front with the slip. Again, wrap that around to the back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1. Now I'm just going straight up on these, but oftentimes a pattern will call for it to stagger, so you'll change the next row to put that yarn in front across this one instead of that one. And I'll show you a pattern in a moment when we're done of how that looks. Again, slip that one, back, knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back, which you will see YIB, so that the pattern specifically is telling you to put that yarn in the back. Yarn in front, slip 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Yarn in front, slip 1, again, as if to purl, yarn in back, knit 1. And I'll just knit this last stitch and show you what it looks like. So you can see how it looks a little different than just your typical purl. So it's a nice way to do some sort of rib look. The back just looks like a bunch of purls. You don't see that bar going across like that. And then if you did it in a staggered look, this is what it's going to look like. So you would do maybe the bar next, but then the next row the bar first. Just stagger it. And this is how you do a yarn in front. This pattern is going to be linked below, as well as items used in this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.